Welcome to Persian Songs Explained. Today we're looking at Yeki Bood Yeki Nabood by Black Cats.
منم دوست دارم محاله تنهات بذارم تو وصله جون منی منم فقط تو رو دارم.
So I love Black Cats. I think their story is super interesting, especially how some of our iconic Persian singers like Ebi, Kamyar, and Kamran Hooman started out from Black Cats and then ended up creating their own music groups later. Yeki Bood Yeki Nabood is the equivalent of once upon a time in Persian. We tend to start children's stories and fables with Yeki Bood Yeki Nabood, although the literal meaning is one was there, one was not there. Budan means to be, and nabudan is the opposite, meaning to not be. So let's dive right into it. So آره منم دوست دارم. That means yeah, I love you too. آره is the informal or casual way of saying بله, which means yes. So بله would be yes and آره is more like yeah. Yeki Bood Yeki Nabood, once upon a time. So he's starting out the song the same way that we'd start out a children's story. تا شروع شد قصه‌مون. As our story began, میدونستم که تکی مثل ماه آسمون. So میدونستم که تکی means that I knew you were the one and only. Tak means one or singular. مثل ماه آسمون. That means like the moon in the sky. ماه means moon and آسمون means sky. میدونستم تو عزیزم قدر عشقو میدونی. That means I knew that you appreciate love, that you value love, my dear. So قدر یه چیزی رو دونستن means that you know something's value or you appreciate it. Over here قدر عشقو میدونی. That means you know the value of love. And then عزیزم is a term of endearment. It means my dear. And it's what he's addressing the girl as. So I knew that you value love, my dear. میدونستم تو همونی که همیشه میمونی. That means I knew you were one who would stay forever. موندن means to stay. And then همیشه means always or forever. آره منم دوست دارم. Yeah, I also love you. دوست دارم means I love you. محاله تنهات بذارم. That means I would never leave you alone or I would never abandon you. یه کسی رو تنها گذاشتن means to leave them alone. And محاله means it's impossible or there's no way. So it's saying there's no way that I would ever leave you alone. تو وصله جون منی. Wesle is interesting. Literally, it means a patch. It's also the same family as vasl kardan, which means to connect. So over here, vasle junemani means like you are a patch of my soul. You can imagine her being connected to his soul. That's how much he loves her. Manam faqat to ro daram. I also only have you. Faqat means only. Faqat to ro daram. غیر دوست داشتن تو دیگه چیزی ندارم. That means other than loving you, I don't have anything. دوست داشتن تو is the act of loving you. چیزی ندارم. That means I don't have anything. همه عمر من تویی. You are my entire life. عمر means life. بی تو من کم میارم. So کم آوردن is an expression and it means to come short, right? To not be enough, to come short. So it's saying without you, I'm coming short in the sense that I'm incomplete without you. That's what it's saying. ماه من. So he's addressing her as his moon. ماه من means my moon. واسه من از تو بهتر کسی نیست. That means there's no one better than you for me. واسه من is the short form of واسه من, which means for me. بیا تو کتاب عشق فصلی تازه بنویس. That is my favorite line of the song. It's saying, come and write a new chapter in the book of love. Fasl on its own most commonly means season. We have 4 fasl in the year: summer, spring, winter, and fall. Tazeh means fresh or new. So it's saying, come and write a fresh new chapter in the book of love. توی کتاب عشق. تک تک ثانیه هام با تو رویایی میشه. So previously, tak meant one and only. But over here, tak ثانیه ها means each and every second. It's saying all of my seconds, ثانیه هام, با تو رویایی میشه. Becomes like a dream with you. رویا means a dream or fantasy. So he's saying every second of my life is like a dream with you. تو سکوت لحظه هام. In the silence of my moments. سکوت meaning silence and لحظه meaning moment. ببین چه قوقایی میشه. So قوقا on its own means an uproar. And قوقا کردن would be the verb, to cause an uproar. Over here it's saying, in the silence of my moments comes this uproar with you. روی چشمام جا داری اگه منت بذاری. So this one is a little difficult. منت گذاشتن is a slang expression. So روی چشمام جا داری means you have room on my eyes. Then اگه منت بذاری means if I am worthy enough. Or more precisely, if you consider me worthy enough. So it's saying you have room on my eyes if you consider me worthy enough. However, there's another expression, منت سر کسی گذاشتن. And that one is not a good thing. Ponta from My Persian Corner explains it so well. She says that if someone gives you a gift, but then they won't let you forget about it, and they keep bringing it up to make you feel guilty, منت سرت میذارن. And so that's not the meaning here, but it's good to know the ways that منت can be used. If you want to know more Persian expressions and expand your vocabulary, definitely check out My Persian Corner. منو از خودت بدونی و بگی دوستم داری. So منو از خودت بدونی means to recognize me as a part of you. و بگی دوستم داری. And tell me that you love me. So those are a continuation of the first line. He's saying, روی چشمام جا داری, you have room on my eyes. اگه, which means if, then منت بذاری, if you consider me worthy enough. If, منو از خودت بدونی, if you recognize me as a part of you. بگی دوستم داری, if you tell me that you love me. So those 3 things come after the if. That is the end of the song. I really like this one because I love all Black Cat songs. But if you liked it or you learned something new today, then please give this video a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to suggest what the next song should be, then you can always email me at persiansongsexplained@gmail.com or leave a comment below. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.